folks, welcome to Barb Makes Things. This week has been really glowy.
Barb Makes Things!
Just so you know what's coming in this video, because there's a lot. Fixing a rope light, fireworks, tinkering school builds. Very glowy. I've had this LED rope light for years that we use at tinkering school when we want to throw some light on the situation.
This is the problem. That much works. That much does not.
I knew that this thing was made to be cuttable every foot. There are even markings on where you should do it. So I did, with the thought that perhaps the problem was somewhere in the area that the light stopped. If I reconnected the power past that, maybe that would work.
You can see the LEDs in here. You can see the wires running along. Leads are presumably meant to connect to those. Except they're really on the wrong side of it if they are. No. Wait, what? That's odd.
So I cut off another foot, plugged it back in, and it worked. Good.
Yay!
All right.
Like this,
It works!
it's clear.
There is an intended use for this in the camp build. And then the 4th of July happened. A couple friends and I went to see some fireworks. While we waited for that to start, we played with LEDs and glowing putty and long exposure photography, as you do. This week's theme at camp was glow, so my tinkerers came up with several light-upable projects to work on. There was a glowing waterfall attached to a hyperspace tunnel. Complete with a rideable hyperspace hippo, of course. There was a light-up chess table, a lighthouse that kind of turned into a zombie apocalypse lookout tower, and remember that rope light? My tinkerers made a shelter in the shape of a geodesic dome, specifically an icosahedron with the bottom cut off. And we ran the LED rope around the inside so that it would light up. It was a short week because of the 4th of July, so I helped speed up the process by attaching the rope light while the kids were at the park.
So my students made this geodesic dome, and I kind of have dreams about doing something like this on a larger scale. So it's just kind of a cool thing to see.
So that was my glowy week. If you liked this video, share it with a friend. If you didn't, share it with an enemy. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Make sure to take a look at some of my other builds and how-tos. There are a lot of them. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you click the little bell, you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. If you'd like to get videos a little early and support my channel, you can visit my Patreon page. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.